Let's explore the vital world of energy resources. From powering our daily lives to shaping the future, we'll uncover what they are, how they function, and why they're essential. Let's get started. Resources are the features of our environment that people need and use. These can be divided into two main types: natural resources and human resources. Human resources include skills, labor, machinery, and capital, everything we need to process and utilize the Earth's materials. Natural resources are materials we draw from the Earth, and they fall into two categories: non-renewable resources like coal and oil, which can be depleted; renewable resources such as solar energy and wind power, which replenish naturally. Careless use of renewable resources can lead to degraded value or even threaten their existence. With increasing populations, economic development, and advances in technology, the demand for energy resources continues to grow. To meet this demand without harming the future, we must embrace sustainable development, meeting today's needs while preserving resources for future generations. Examples of sustainable actions include conservation, recycling, reducing emissions, and efficient resource extraction. Coal is an organic sedimentary rock formed from ancient biotic matter compressed over millions of years. While it is long-lasting and extraction methods have improved, coal mining can cause significant air pollution and environmental damage. Oil, a mixture of hydrocarbons, powers much of our world. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, plays a major role in regulating oil markets and stabilizing supply. Natural gas is another non-renewable energy source, often converted to liquefied natural gas, LNG, for easier distribution. It's efficient and relatively cheap, but contributes to air pollution and is subject to price fluctuations. Hydroelectric power generates energy from water flow. It's cheap and reduces the risk of floods, but constructing dams can flood habitats and is costly. Geothermal energy taps into Earth's constant heat supply. It produces little pollution but can release sulfuric gases and is prone to disruption from natural disasters. Wind energy is safe, clean, and increasingly efficient during winter months. However, turbines can affect wildlife and depend on consistent wind conditions. Solar energy offers limitless, efficient power with minimal pollution. But shorter daylight hours in winter and setup costs can be challenges. Hydrogen, extracted from water vapor, is another promising renewable resource that could one day replace fossil fuels. Let's not forget biomass. This renewable source uses fermentation to produce biofuels from crops like sugarcane. It's an innovative way to harness energy from organic materials. By balancing renewable and non-renewable resources and embracing sustainable development, we can create a brighter and greener future for all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more.